What it is, man? This your boy Not a Nation, but he back with another bang video. Car dirty in the mud right now, bro. That's if I slid by tonight, clean my car. Go ahead and get y'all a cold start. Gotta get y'all a good ass cold start. Listen to this shit. Every time, bro. You feel that shit in your neck sets, nigga. Every fucking time, but that shit don't never fail. I don't give a damn what nobody say. Why the fuck it smell like candles in my car? The fuck? Weird ass smell, weird ass scent. My dope panel's still off the car. I don't care, I don't give a fuck. Go ahead and get out of that little POV though. Go ahead and get out of that little POV though. Fuck, well, how the hell? For no damn reason, boy. I got a sweatshirt on, bro. For no damn reason. I ain't did no little POV in a while. In a long time. So I gotta get tired of what I've been asking for. But they car just beat the fuck up. But I can't wait till I get that Chrysler 300 though. Tell you, bro, when they be come in, bro, it's a wrap. It's a wrap, bro. Put the Hellcat mode in, they be an ace out. You need just standing there, bro. What is you doing? What is you doing? You still right there, fam? Drugs. That what it be. That what the fuck it be. You need to be on pure cocaine in the middle of the fucking road. Just chilling. Chilling, but it won't like it. This area just ass, bro. You need just dumb as hell. Dumb as fuck. What the fuck am I doing? Put this shit in track, nigga. Yeah. That's what it's supposed to be. That's how this shit's supposed to be, you feel me? It's supposed to be in track mode. What the fuck was doing? I knew the vibe was out. I knew something was going on. I just knew it. Didn't know what the fuck it was. Give me an oil change tomorrow. I got to, bro. I got to. Dog in the road, get your dumb ass out the way. What the fuck your owners at, bro? Ain't nobody outside looking for that dog. Your ass just here. The fuck? How you even get out here, famo? Dumb ass dog. I can't stand. I ain't gonna lie. I fuck with dogs. I like dogs and cats. But I can't stand when niggas can't take care of the fucking dog. That's why we going in there. That's why we going in there, ho. Which way the fuck? We going left. We going left out there, ho. The car gotta start going sideways, bro. I keep having to make quick adjustments out there. Somebody in traffic, bro. The fuck was all that popping and shit? The fuck was all that? Well, I better not have shit hanging on my car by the time I get back. I better not have a damn thing hanging on my car. I know exactly what's missing off this bitch. I better not have nothing else hanging off this bitch. Yeah, but we got the sunroof up. Had to have the sunroof up there. The sound. Fuck. Chums are behind me. He ain't gonna act up with me though. That what happen when you don't fucking work. You just a YouTuber, bro. You ain't got shit to fucking do. So I'm just out here just driving and shit. Everybody that get active at work right now. I gotta wait on their ass to get out of work to turn up. My shit in first gear still. doing that shit, nigga. I let off the gas while it's trying to shift, and then stump on it while it's trying to not shift. I don't know, it be some dumb weird shit. It always fuck up though. I gotta stop doing that shit. I gotta just stay on that bitch. Can I even go? Fuck it. I'm not gonna stay here. The fuck I look like? Over there. Over there, nigga. Did you see that? That shit was so smooth, bro. That shit was so damn smooth, bro. Where them folks at? Why they ain't even here? Why they at, man? That's why I used to work at my folks' place. Shout out to Precision Collision, the best one. Them niggas got 5-star. Y'all better go get your shit done. You know, most of y'all niggas be out here around with no bumper and shit. We can get that shit fixed. Go get that. Go do that now. Them niggas try to sell me a $50,000 Camaro SS fucking 2017 SS. Bro, that's out of fucking pocket. That's out of pocket, bro. Y'all need scamming, folks. Them niggas try to sell me a 2020 Mustang GT for 60. A GT? You out Tremont. You out of pocket, fam. I'm not gonna put no name in there. Y'all saw who it was. If you didn't, oh well. Not gonna get me sued out this bitch. You know how niggas is. Had to roll up the window, fam. It got a little bit too cold. Man, where the police at, bro? I'm trying to get active, bro. Pros and cons to having an iPhone, bro. The camera quality goes stupid, bro. You can see the dirt in my fingernails, you feel me? Them bitches dirty. I just cut them too, bro. That's wild, bro. I can't stand. I don't even do shit no more, bro. How the fuck are my fingernails still dirty, bro? I literally just cleaned them bitches this morning, bro. What the fuck? I can't stand this shit, bro, at all. It is what it is. I don't even care. I ain't trying to impress nobody. Yup. Shit go sideways all the fucking time, fam. I can't help it. I got Michelin's on, bro. So if a nigga say upgrade some tires, how the fuck else can I'm not gonna put no drag strip on these bitches. The fuck? No. It's cause it's cold, bro. And these tires are shit when it's cold. Just wait till that summer kick in, boy. That summer kick in ain't no going sideways, bro, at all. You feel me? Nigga can't even push it going on the freeway, or a nigga gonna go sideways. And they not bad tires. They got good ass tread, whatever you wanna call it. Tread, that's the word. I just like to go sideways, can't help it. It's better than the Mustang though. Like if I just did that shit in the Mustang, I most definitely would have lost it. That shit, I would not have caught that. Them bitches get loose too fast. Skirt. My front end not wobbling no more, bro. I can hit a good $150, bro, $120, bro. It ain't wobbling no more. What the fuck going on? I'm kind of scared now. Usually this shit like the, you know, woo, 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 but hell no, it ain't doing that today. It ain't doing that today. I get the, oh shit, what? I ain't gonna push it in the curve though, cause my tires already weak, as you can tell. And I don't want to hit no wall, you feel me? So I'm gonna slow my black ass down. And as soon as I get back on that straightaway, I ain't got no Hellcat. Let me stop playing, bro. But if I did, I gotta give me some. I don't need no gas, bro. I'm good. I'm half a tank. I'm half a tank. Ah, shit, here we go. Here we go. Nah, it wasn't that bad. Thought I finna have to go all the way between shit. Now look at this nigga here. Yeah, get your ass on. I smell my tires, bro. That's not good. There's no reason why I should smell my tires going 80 miles an hour, doing the speed limit. This GTA roleplay, y'all don't, yeah. This is all I'm gonna say. Yeah, nigga. GTA roleplay, this is a video game, bro. Can't take me tell. It's a video game. This is a simulation, VR headset, bro. This shit look real as hell. I know y'all seen them games. Like, what that game called? A sixer? Damn, what the hell that game called? Y'all know what I'm trying to say. Where they be weaving through traffic shit. That's what this is. This just my version of it, you feel me? Nigga going stupid in an Enterprise rental truck. Oh, boy, you dumb as hell, boy. You smack somebody, bro. It's a wrap there, yo. You're going to jail, bro. Let me not, bro. I'm following his ass. Let me get back in my own lane. The fucking Tahoe, too? Yukon? You need to go acting a fool. I'm not finna get over. I'm not finna let your ass over either, nigga. My bad. My bad, folks. I should let you over, but nah, fuck it. You wanna weave through traffic and shit? Slow your ass down, bitch. Slow your fucking roll, bitch. Ain't nobody letting his ass over. That's fucked up. Damn, bro. Traffic picking up. What the fuck? I can't weave through none of this shit. I'm scared to push the hoe. My tires ass as fuck. Can't push it through none of this shit, bro. I could go all the way to the right, but I ain't gonna do it, not today. Why that nigga trying to keep up with me? Slow your, nigga, you in a fucking van. You in a rental truck. Slow your fucking roll. Malibu got tired of the damn red truck in front of us, cause that nigga slowing up traffic. We in a fast lane. Go faster. Bitch, we in a fast lane. Go faster. Get the fuck out of my way, fam. I ain't seen the police yet. That shit wild. That shit so crazy. I ain't seen the police all day. If everybody's saying charges and shit got the black people in the chokehold, the nigga that was driving that Charger right there, he's white. Get off my nuts. Alright? Get off my fucking nuts. Most niggas in this city, okay, yeah, most niggas in this city, this a black city, so yeah, of course most of them gonna drive Hellcats and shit. But you go to Hoover or the white area, you don't see no black people in no Charger, bro. All you see are white folks and Hellcats and demons, bro. Nah, I swear, that's all you see. So, yeah, but all that racist shit, bro, you can cut that shit out. Cut that shit out. I ain't gonna make it no racist shit, but black people make this shit fire. I'm sorry, but that's why y'all say we own them all, cause we make this shit fire. We the only ones that record all our shit. Everybody turn the fuck up and, you know, once in a while. But black people the only one that record it and post it because it get views and you can get paid off of it. That's another income. So y'all calling us dumb and shit, but we affording these bitches. You ain't making it make sense. You ain't making it make sense at all, my boy. You ain't looking deep into it. You just looking from the outside what you think. You feel me? You look stupid as shit now. I already know it, but they ain't gonna hear this part. Nah, they ain't gonna hear none of this shit. All they gonna hear is we like pushing them bitches and showing people how bad we is. That's all they gonna see. They ain't gonna see how we making money out this shit. Get the fuck out, nigga. You're going too slow, nigga. Who goes 60? Niggas with reindeer ears, letting antlers go slow. What the fuck? Damn, I got here in 7 minutes. That's wild. That's a little bit too fast. Damn, bro, this bitch just... That straight pipe shit, wait, it just get to you every time. Let me roll down the window a little bit, bro. We're going on a tunnel, fam. We're going on a fucking tunnel, fam. Watch this shit. I know you're here. I know you're here. Stop playing with the way. Stop playing with the straight pipe shit. Get your shit straight pipe, bitch. If your shit ain't straight pipe, you're lacking, boy. You're fucking lacking. You're sweet. You're pussy. You're pie. You're Cinnabon. You're a bag of Skittles, bitch. Get your shit straight pipe. Stop playing. You ain't got your shit straight pipe. You're scared. You're scared of everything, boy. You're scared. You're pussy. You ain't never gonna be shit in life. Don't look at me, ho. Fuck. Why that's why I'm so glad I got 10 on my shit. I'm so glad, because you can't see me, but you want to. Let me roll my window back. Let me roll my window back up, fam. Look at that ass. Look at that ass. What the fuck he eating in that damn car? With glass windows in the back. I need to hit that boy up. Give me an extra set, because I know my time coming. Somebody gonna try to steal my shit again. I already know it. I'm gonna have to blam there. Blam there. I'm gonna have to put a nigga under. That a Jeep 392, it is. Jeep 392, that'd be hard. Wrangler. Bro, that shit bad, bro. The sun be doing my fingernail bad as hell, but I swear to God, my fingernail is not that long. I promise you, hold on. I'll show y'all. Oh, Jesus Christ, my fingernail is not that long. Y'all see this shit, bro. My shit's not that long. My shit look good. The suns will be fucking me up. And even making me look ashy, bro. That shit sad. Hellcats in the track house. Hellcats in the track house. Hellcats in the track house. I ain't got no Hellcat or track house. What the fuck? I got a Scatpack. A fucking Scatpack. That shit sound depressing, bro. Hellcat versus Scatpack. Oh, fuck no. Fuck no. Every time a nigga start driving normal, nigga wanna act up and pushing at me in a fucking Infinity. Stop. Slow your fucking roll, bitch. Hellcat. Oh, I gotta give me a Hellcat, but I can't fucking wait. Every time I see a Hellcat, bro, that shit just different, oh God. That shit just different, bro. It make you think, like, what the fuck? Nigga told me to shut the fuck up. If nigga told me shut the fuck up, I'd give you a Hellcat and shut the fuck up and slap me, bro. Well, I'm riding the fuck out that Hellcat. What the fuck you talking about, nigga? The fuck, nigga? Nigga just gave me $100,000. The fuck? Yeah, you can tell me to shut the fuck up and smack me, nigga. That shit sound kind of fruity, though. You know what the fuck? Don't make this shit gay, bro. Do not make this shit gay. You know what the fuck going on? If a nigga tell you, shut the fuck up and smack your ass and give you $100,000 brand new wide body red eye, you gonna do it. I'm sorry. But that's just being logical, bro. Fuck, respect, the fuck. I don't get no fuck. Now I'm $100,000 richer now. Now what? Sell that hoe, flip that hoe, and get you a cheaper Hellcat 707. They all feel the fucking same. Now I got 50K in the bank just chilling, bro. And all I had to do was let a nigga smack me. Dumb as hell, boy. Yeah, I'm taking that. Oh God, I'm taking that. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a damn. Smack me, please. I'm tired of fucking yelling though. I can't lie to you, but my damn throat hurt, bro. I can't do this shit no more. Eventually, I'ma sound like damn. What that nigga that rap fast? What the hell is that nigga that rap fast? Let me think about this shit. Hold on, balls. Fuck it, I can't think of that nigga name. It is what it is. Y'all know what I'm talking about though. But anyway, bro, I'm finna end the video right here, bro. God, cause I gotta get me something to eat. Some McDonald's sound good right about now. I'm starving my hand. I need to eat in days for real. Cause my fucking. That shit is, bro. My molars, not molar. Damn, wisdom teeth been trying to come in. That shit hurt your gums, bro. I couldn't eat, bro. And now them bitches feeling good today. So yeah, I'm finna go ahead and smack good on God. But I'll catch y'all in this video, bro. Oh God, stay safe. Stay safe.